Not hearing everything you used to? You might just need a little assistance. That's what these are for. Let's check them out. Dave Taylor here, and I want to talk about hearing. It's an inescapable fact of aging is that our hearing gradually goes away. Kind of a drag. But the good news is that there are a lot of different options now and a lot of different ways you can manage it that don't involve spending thousands of dollars on specialists and getting super expensive gear. The big win now is we have over-the-counter hearing aids from a lot of different companies. And that's what I'm looking at today. These are two different styles from the same company, Flysound Premium over-the-counter hearing aids. So this one is the H9 Nature Pro BTE, and as you can see in the close-up, it is your basic sort of like earbud style. So this is a very modern design, whereas this one is more classic. This is the H8 PureHear Pro, and that's receiver-in-canal. And the company sent me both styles so I could compare them, and they each have their pros and cons, but they're really easy to work with. So this one, for example, all I have to do is put the main piece behind my ear and then just tuck the actual earbud into my ear, and it's already working. I'm already hearing more high frequencies. So it's that easy to work with. And they come with not just these charging cases, but this is really remarkable because the cases also actually dry them, because the sort of fact of life is that for a lot of people, when they have these in their ears for hours on end, they end up getting a little sweaty. So you put them in here, you close it, you plug it in, that's an important step, and then it will actually dry everything so that you have no bacteria issues, which is really important. Now, both of them work with the same basic circuitry, and they both actually use the same app on your smartphone. And you want to do that. You don't have to do that, but you really want to, because it gives you an enormous amount of control over these devices, and I'll show you the app in a minute. But it also is a Bluetooth device, so you can take phone calls on it, which is really important. They both support Auracast, which is an up-and-coming technology that basically is like a one-to-many Bluetooth system, and it's coming for TVs is where it's for. So the idea is that you and your partner or your loved one or other family members, everyone can have their own hearing devices, all getting the same signal from the TV while you're watching a movie or a favorite streaming show or even just over-the-air broadcasts. And then each of you can adjust it as your individual needs require. But again, the cool thing here is that AI is involved. AI is gradually coming into everything. And of course, it's also a really big name or word that helps people want to buy the product and say, wow, this is really very modern. And these are very modern. It uses AI noise reduction, so you get up to an 80% increase in speech recognition. Now, I'll tell you, I took these out in the field and tried them in different environments, and being able to actually get rid of a lot of that background noise and hear the person talking to you, kind of a game changer. In fact, let's go out into the field. The real test of a hearing aid is to actually be out and about with your friends or family, and whether you're at a restaurant or a cafe or anywhere else, to suddenly be able to hear everyone, even when there's background noise, even when there's wind. It's kind of a game changer. It's a really nice experience. Another situation where you might want to use your Flysound hearing aid is in a car. Imagine you have passengers in the front and back, and there's a conversation going on. You definitely want to be able to hear what everyone's saying. And not only that, but notice it is pretty discreet. So it's entirely possible that they won't even notice that you have them on, which for some people is pretty important. One of the other interesting things that these have is a little remote control device that you can also use. So when you have them in, again, if you don't want to use your phone, you can use these to individually adjust the volume or gain on each ear. And for most of us, We don't have consistent hearing loss in both ears. One of them will be a little better than the other, so that gives you the ability to fine-tune that experience. And of course, in both cases, there's actually an ear tip. And that ear tip, you want to make sure it's the right size. So they give you 3 different sizes in 3 different styles. So you have 9 different ear tips that you can experiment with. And it really is worth taking the time to experiment, because if you can get exactly the right ones for your ear canal shape and size and your comfort, then you're going to have a much better experience. So 60 decibel high gain, 120 decibel maximum output, which is pretty loud. And it's a 360-degree dual mic. So even if someone's standing behind you, you'll hear them better than you had without it having this particular hearing aid in your ear. And IP68 water resistant. So if you're wearing them and you are sweaty, you don't have to worry that you're going to mess up the circuitry or anything. Generally, 14 hours of battery life on the unit itself. And then in the case, it will give you a couple more charges, giving you a total of 70 hours. When it is time to charge, then all you have to do is plug in USB-C. It includes a USB-A to USB-C cable. It also includes 2 different sort of like necklace lanyards. So if you prefer wearing them around your neck, then you can do just that. There's this style, and then there's a shorter and smaller one that's this style. And in both cases, you'll still use it exactly the same, but now you don't have to worry about like one of them, I don't know, falling out and you not noticing and then losing it. They're literally on a lanyard, so that will help you. It also includes a couple of different things to help you with cleaning, because you do want to clean them. And if you're not really on top of your earwax situation, then these are going to find that earwax. So I know, sorry, just this is the reality of these sort of devices. Like I said, Bluetooth pairs with the app, and the case is a drying case. In fact, let me just move a couple of things around and let's actually look at the app just for a minute or two. I just want to show you some of the basics of it. I have the H9 units in, and you can see there what they look like. And I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch. So let's start by adding device, and it should see it. And it's searching automatically, and it sees the H9 hearing aid. There we are. So I will tap on it, device connecting, and there's a tutorial which actually lets you do a hearing test, so it can adjust how it works based on what you can and can't hear on a frequency response basis. But I'm not going to do that because I just want to show you the demo. And we do not prompt again. So now you can see here in the app, it's showing me the left ear and right ear charge level. They're both at 100%, and they're both at 50% volume. And if I swipe up, we can see there are scenes. So you can say, I'm in a noisy environment. And then what it will do is it will remove more of the background sound. Whereas perhaps you're indoors with a couple of family friends or something, and you don't want it to remove all that background noise. You want to just tell it, hey, here's the environment I'm in. But really what you want to do is you want to just leave it on smart. And then you know it will automatically detect what kind of environment you're in. You can adjust the EQ. They have tinnitus masking, which is kind of cool. And so if you're someone, let's see, Bluetooth not connected. Okay, well, I guess I have to go into Bluetooth and pair that too. So we'll go there. With tinnitus masking, you can pick a sound like rainforest. And now what I hear, bit loud, is I hear the sounds of a rainforest, and it's really sort of like a sleep sound machine. But the idea is that it's not going to cure your tinnitus, unfortunately, but what it can do is it can give you some background sound so that your brain is processing that instead of inventing its own sounds. And you can switch to something like thunderstorm, and notice on the lower portion, it's showing me that. But I'm going to go ahead and pause and go back. And so that's the main features with EQ. Again, you probably won't need to do this because you're going to have done the hearing test and it'll automatically compensate to give you the best possible sound. But again, if you're on phone calls and you're finding that everything's really too much bass, then that's where you could go and adjust that. And then if I tap on the gear icon on the top right, then we do have some other data here. And perhaps the most important is we can go into version, let's see, and it would automatically, if there's a version update or firmware update, it would automatically apply it here, which is important. And last location is also important. And the reason for that, I'm not going to show you the map because I don't want to show you where my studio is. But last location is really important because if you lose them, it will help you find them. So if you take them off because you're over at your sister's house and then you leave and then you get home and you're like, oh no, where are my hearing aids? Did I leave them at the restaurant? You can use last location to find where they are. And that is hugely valuable all by itself. But that's the app. It's pretty straightforward to use. It's something where you can adjust it to exactly what you want. And then when you're done, then you can simply turn the app off and even walk away from your phone and just leave these in and they're going to be working. And in fact, they start working automatically as soon as you put them in your ear. And as you can see, they're really easy and streamlined, and they are ostensibly skin color for some people who have that color skin, but it doesn't really matter because they're close enough for many people. And even if that's pretty far away from your skin color, you know, they're just hearing aids. It's not that big a deal. And then when you're done, you know, put them back in the case and they fit one way, but not the other. So I know they're put in correctly. Close it up, plug it in, and then that drying system will work and it's all going to be ready to go next time I want to use them. So that's everything. Again, let me give you two close-ups. So the H8 is the classic receiver-in-canal design known as an RIC, and that's the H8 PureHear Pro. And then the H9 is the more modern design, and that's known as the behind the ear or BTE design. In both cases, these really can improve the quality of your life. If you're having issues hearing people or just being able to track everything going on around you, this might be the solution. And that makes these really, really important and really, really helpful. And it is just a wonderful thing that we live in an era where all of these companies are competing to produce these at affordable prices rather than having them be thousands and thousands of dollars and prescribed by doctors who are probably making a pretty sweet profit on the deal. That is not what's happening here. So if you have moderate or mild hearing loss, these are a solid option to consider. If you have severe hearing loss, then yeah, you probably want to go talk to a doctor or an audiologist. But from mild to medium hearing loss, these Flysound premium over-the-counter hearing aids are a really good option. I do want to talk about price. That's pretty important. Before we get there, I'm going to invite you to click on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that bell icon and that'll give you notifications of my new content because I get a lot of consumer electronics gear and I endlessly review and demo things and it's just fun. There's just so much cool stuff out there. But I'll always give you the straight scoop so you'll know whether it's worth your time and money or not. Finally, if you found this of value, and I really hope you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Appreciate that. Cool. All right. So now, both of them, by the way, come with all the same accoutrements, including a really extensive manual. And like so many hearing aids, the company recommends that if you've never worn hearing aids before, take your time and gradually get into it. So for the first week, maybe you just wear them for an hour or two a day. And then the next week, maybe 3 or 4 hours. But don't start out wearing them for 12 hours or something because you will get a headache. Your brain needs some time to learn how to reprocess all of the additional audio information you're giving it. So pretty cool. All right. These are the Flysound Premium over-the-counter hearing aids. These are the H8 PureHear Pro receiver-in-canal, and they are $499 currently, discounted down to $449 at Amazon.com. And then these, I will pull this one out too. These are, whoops, the Flysound Premium over-the-counter hearing aids H9 Nature Pro BTE, or behind the ear, and they are also $499, also currently discounted down to $449 at Amazon.com. So regardless of which style is more your speed or more your cup of tea, Flysound has a couple of really solid options that are very well worth considering. If you look in the description, I have links to both, so it's an easy click away. That's what I got. Hope to catch you in my next video.